Hello and welcome to the first podcast of the YouTube channel AgroGeek. This channel is launched to show how you can do gardening as well as uh, agriculture in your home. So today I will show you how to arrange a seed germination unit which will surely yield your seed within 5 to 7 days depending upon the type of the seed you have chosen. So let me start what you will require. This is the carrier. Okay, so you will require this. You will require this organic manure. Organic manure is very important, and also you will require homemade compost, which is made up of the waste kitchen materials, of course organic, and also the vegetable waste I am referring about. Only use compost made up of vegetable waste. Okay, so you can use compost made up of animal waste like fish bone or chicken bone, etc. But I will not prefer to do that. Okay, so your first step is to, and another thing, this is the seeds I will use. These seeds are of creeping rose plant. They are a little bit hard to germinate, but with this arrangement you can germinate them within 7 days, 7 to 10 days. Okay. So these are the few items that you will need: carrier, of course the seed, manure, and the compost. Okay. The first step will be to add compost. Just add a little bit of compost, not very. Don't use heavy manure because it can act negatively. So I have used just this much of manure. Okay, and the remaining portion I will use compost, and I will fill this carrier up to this portion, half, 50%. Right? Only I think 5% I have used manure. Remaining 45% I will use compost. Okay, and there I will put the seed, and I will show what I will do later on. So first step, put manure here, just 5% of it, then put the compost. So here it is, 50% filled up with compost, 45% filled up with compost, and 5% with manure. Now I will put the seed in it. Now this is very important. How I am putting the seed here, just look into it carefully. These are very small seeds, right? Very, very small seeds. So just do this thing. Take a pinch of the seed. Okay? Take a pinch of the seed. Okay? Right? Okay? This much. And turn it. Take just 3 seeds I have taken. Okay? Not more than that. I put them here one by one. 1, 2, 3. 3 seeds I have put. Okay? Okay, let us put another one also. Okay, another one put in here. Now I have put my seeds. Now I will take a little bit amount of compost. Very loose amount of compost like this. No heavy material. Very loose. And as a sprinkler, I will sprinkle the compost above the seed. Let me show you it in detail. Like this. Don't know. Let me put like this, yeah. This way I think it will be easier for you to see. Okay, right, just I am putting this into here. Just cover the seed. Do not cover it with large amount of compost, but cover it with very few amount of compost you have. Okay, so done with this amount I am leaving, just leaving it away. Now I am just doing this so the seeds take its position in this area, and I will give some amount of water. This is important. Whenever you are planting a seeds, you have to give a very little amount of water. Okay. Now is the another step. This is the final step, but very important step. This is the cover of the carrier, and I am putting into it. I am not fixing it. I am just putting over the putting this cover over the carrier. That's all. Now I will place it into one of the most bright space in my room, or I will say the brightest location of my room. There I will place this arrangement, and then I will see what happens after 7 days, and I will show it to you also in my next video, which I will publish next week, same day, same time. So thank you. Till then, let us see what happened to my seeds.